Today we are talking about the large scrubbing pad. This scrubbing pad is designed to remove any kind of food or anything that's stuck on either one of those pans, a carbon steel or a cast iron pan, without removing the seasoning. If you know about those pans, seasoning is a must. All right, so let's test it out. Now I sacrificed one of my pans, not sacrificed, but I let some food actually stay on here overnight. This is a carbon steel pan. It's actually a large carbon steel pan. And as you can see, there's food stuck on here. So what we're gonna do is use the scrubbing pad to scrub this pan. Let's see how it does. Still look pretty clean, but still a couple little burnt in spots that I'm gonna go ahead and scrub off. All right. Look at that. Now, as you can see, this thing was caked on with food, but that scrubbing pad makes it so easy. And I know that you're not supposed to leave food on here, longer than a day, but I did it for you guys to show you how good that scrubbing pan actually works. So once again, this is the large scrubbing pad. It's the stainless steel one with silicone inside. If you already own one of these, then I'm pretty sure this is what you use on all your carbon steel or cast iron pans. But if you are looking for a good scrubbing pad for your cast iron or carbon steel pans, and you decide to pick this one up and you love it like we do, let us know. Thanks again.